Our objective for today is I can solve subtraction problems without regrouping using the algorithm, and then we're going to check our answers by solving a problem with addition. Here's our first practice problem that you can watch me with. We're going to solve 85 minus 42 and then check it with addition. So for algorithm, we're going to line our problem up vertically. And we're going to start on our 1. So we're going to do 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Next, we're going to subtract our 10s. So we're going to subtract 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? 4. So we got an answer of 43. And now I am going to show you how to check that answer. And we're going to check it by changing these numbers around to turn it into an addition problem. So we're going to start with 43 plus 42. So we take our answer plus the number that we subtracted out. So 43 minus 42. What I like to do is I kind of think about flipping it upside down. So here I went from top to bottom, and now for addition, I'm going to go from bottom to top. So 43 plus 42. So let's solve this addition problem. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So now we need to check. If we got the answer over here that was our minuend over here, we know we got it correct. So 85, 85. So notice how the three numbers just kind of changed spots. 43, 42, 85. So I know I got this problem correct. I know 85 minus 42 equals 43 because I checked it with addition. So now I'm going to have you watch a non-example. So this is going to be a problem that's going to be wrong, so you can see what happens and what you need to do when this happens in your problems. So we're going to solve 236 minus 25. So again, we're going to line up our problem vertically, and now we're going to take away 25 from 236. So remember, you might notice that I make a mistake in this, and that's okay because I want you to see what happens when I do make a mistake. So I'm going to start with 6 minus 5, which equals 1. Next, I'm going to subtract my 10s. 3 minus 2 equals 2. And then I'm going to subtract my hundreds. 2 minus 0 equals 2. So I got an answer of 221. So now we got to check our work by setting up an addition problem. So remember, we're going to take these numbers and basically flip them upside down. So we're going to start with 221, and we're going to add to that the second number, 25. All right, so 221 plus 25. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 0 equals 2. So now I need to see, did my answer equal the first number on my subtraction problem? It didn't, did it? I got an answer of 246, and over here I got an answer of 236. That means somewhere I made a mistake, and now I have to be a detective and go back and find out where my mistake was, because it could be in my addition problem, or it could be in my algorithm, my subtraction problem, but it's definitely in one of them. I can't leave my problem like this because I know I got it wrong. So if I'm comparing these two numbers, 246 and 236, I see the difference is in the tens place. So I'm going to check my tens place. So I'm just going to first check over here. 2 plus 2, does it actually equal 4? It does. So let's check in our subtraction problem. 3 minus 2. Does 3 minus 2 equal 2? Oh, it doesn't. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So I need to change that 2 to a 1. So my answer really should have been 211. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here and change this 221 actually to 211. So now I have 1 plus 5 still equals 6. I have 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then 2 plus 0 equals 2. So now if I compare them, I have 236. I have 236. Now I know I got the right answer. So I know that 236 minus 25 does in fact equal 211. Now it's your turn to try one with me. So now we're going to solve 59 minus 7. So on your paper, go ahead and write that problem vertically, up and down. And now let's do our subtraction problem. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 5 minus 0 equals 5. So 59 minus 7 equals 52. But let's check our answer with an addition problem. So remember, we're going to take our bottom number first, 52, and add that to this middle number. So 52 plus 7. So let's add 2 plus 7. That equals 9. And next, let's add 5 plus 0. That equals 5. So let's check. Do these two match? 59 and 59, they sure do. That means my difference was correct. 59 minus 7 does equal 52. This last one, I want you to try all on your own. So you're going to solve 482 minus 172. So solve the subtraction problem with the algorithm. Next, you're going to check it with addition, and then you'll know if you got the problem right or wrong, but you can come back and check in with my answer as well. Or if you get stuck on any of the steps, come back and double check. So for the algorithm, we're going to set up 482 minus 172. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 8 minus 7 equals 1. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So our difference is 310. Now to set up my addition problem, I'm going to start at the bottom and set it up as 310 plus 172. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 7 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now let's check. 482, 482. I know I got it correct. So 482 minus 172 equals 310. Outstanding work. Today for your independent practice, you have some 3-digit subtraction problems. And with all of these, you can just solve the subtraction problem. And you do not need to check these with the addition, but if you want to at least pick a couple to check, I think it would be a great idea just to get even more practice with checking with addition. Don't forget to turn this in when you finish.